What's up, everybody? It's John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm in another house that's one of our investor friends that they got it. They're not really sure if they want to take on the project, so they've got their hands tied with some other stuff. So we are going to potentially buy it. We're taking a look at it. It looks pretty good. I mean, this one's in Metairie, almost to Kenner, and you can see the floor is a little dirty. The kitchen's a little dingy, but when you get a little bit further back, you see where the bulk of it is. We're missing a whole lot of sheetrock and flooring in here. It definitely looks like it was flooded at some point. This entire back portion of the house has no flooring or anything. Nice little sunroom that needs to be redone. But anyway, yeah, it looks like a fun little project. I'm scoping it out. We're gonna make an offer and hopefully be able to help him out. And he can go on to work on another project and we can take on this one. So if you have a house like this in any condition, whether it's yours, whether you inherited it, whether you're an investor with a project you don't feel like messing with anymore, check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer. And yeah, we should be able to help you out. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.